Hi, I am Red, and I welcome you to my world in 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, girls are on their move to apply, Lupi and Maris, and Diana is at rest now, so I'm on charge with cooking. We're going to the market, we will buy chicken, and I will cook for the first time. So let's go. And I forgot it's so hot outside. We need to put, wala na, paubos na yung sunblock natin. We need to put sunblock because it's so hot outside and we don't want to get our Carabao skin be so dull and dry. So let's go. We're done now.
Okay, let's go. Don't forget to switch out the fan and the lights. Oh, wait. Sleeper. Oops, there. And the lights. Okay, let's go. Oh, my goodness, it's so messy. Let's go outside. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. Time check, 10 a.m. in the morning. And the laundry. Okay, my goodness, it's so hot. Oh my goodness, very hot outside. Let's go. Come with me. That side. Wait. We're going to that side. Grabe kainit. Wait lang! Wala, ito na pala yung supermarket. Ay, pusang gala. The supermarket is there. Yawa. I suppose not to cross. It's okay. Pusang gala. Ala, andyan lang pala yung supermarket. Ba't ako tumawid? Para kong tanga. Really, I'm so stupid. Wait. Ala, may supermarket. Para kong tanga. Okay, I'm lost. I'm going back. I suppose not to cross. I don't know why I crossed. I thought the supermarket is right in the side. But it's there. Crazy. Oh, so hot, yawa. Okay, so what I mean is that way. That is the new era supermarket. And we also have here. I should not cross. Wait. I'll just go back. Yawa. Do you remember Chelsea? Chelsea Plaza Hotel. Oh my God, stop. Yawa, ang init. Whew. Faster, faster, please. Ayan. Whew. Hala. Faster. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. I almost got hit, yawa. Stupid me. We're in together as one. And here we go. The new era supermarket. Oh, oh my goodness. The mirror. Is it really? Listen together from the engagement season. Our name is about you. I won't hesitate. Uy, wait lang. Excuse me, this one please. Tagnayin lang pala. Or this one, or this one. With this one. This one. Yeah. Done me and you that I fell with. I tried to put you, but you're so hot. Favorite ata nila dito yung I'm Yours, ah. To get by. Nasaan ba yung ano? Giving it's my bestest and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Get my time to wait. Asan ba yung see like me? Open up your plans and dump your feet. It's you your heart and you'll find love. Asan na ba kasi yun? Buset. Okay, I got it. Wait. We're done.
Siguro. Kasi paulit-ulit eh.
Kanina pa pinaulit-ulit ang I'm Yours eh. Talaga. Off. Home! Nagluluto tayo. Pero, I'm not really good at cooking. Pero I will try. I will try my best. Nagpa-chill ba sa bahay? Parang wala ata. Tingnan natin. I forgot to buy the pineapple chunks. And I get to Papa. Only my money is only 3 and this is 6. So I have to give him 2 because he said last 1. Okay. Let's go. No. I-slice lang. Hindi na magsikip. Switch off the light. No. Guys, we will cook now. Wow, we will cook. We have onions, chili, pineapple chunks, and the chicken. And then yung ating toyo suka. Ito pala yung may toyo. Toyo at suka natin. Okay, let's do this. Maris, you do this. Tapos, guys, we will cut the chicken. Kunwari. Tama ba ang pinagawa ko? Ito, hindi na to slice, di ba? Ano yun? Ito. Slice? My manager, guys, padaan-daan kasi siya yung mag-check kung tama ba yung pinagagawa natin. She will check if we're doing the right thing or we're just doing this for video content. Busit. You have to remove the fats. Nasaan na yung puwet? Di ko talaga nakita yung puwet ba? Favorite ko pa naman yung puwet. Open up your plans and do it. Pero alam mo ba, yung nagkaamo ako bilang Lebanese, hindi niya pinapugasan yung chicken. Kasi daw, ayun, watch the chicken. Hindi, yung bacteria daw kakalat pag hinugasan ng manok. Hindi hinugasan talaga, kukunin to yung mga dugo-dugo na mga hiwa, yung parang, ano ng manok, yung parang, wala, ang puro naman ang kutsilyo na po.
Okay naman, yan, lang natin yan. Buset!
Usok-usok. Yung kanin, hilaw pa ata. Mausok-usok. Atin niyo si Vanina for my first time cooking. It's good. Pwede na ako mag-asawa.
Later you again.
Ayoko na. Kabad trip talaga pag nasu... Ganda talaga na kaibigan mo. Let's open. My baby Barney. Hi, Barney. Hi.